Diversity Visa, DV Lottery, also known as the Green Card Lottery, is an annual program administered by the U.S. Department of State. Its purpose is to diversify the immigrant population in the United States by granting visas to individuals from countries with historically low rates of immigration to the U.S. Winners of the DV Lottery are selected through a random computer drawing. The importance of winning the DV Lottery can vary greatly, depending on an individual's circumstances and aspirations. For many people, winning the DV Lottery represents a life-changing opportunity to immigrate to the United States legally and pursue new opportunities for themselves and their families. Here are some key points regarding the importance of DV Lottery winners. 1. Legal immigration opportunity. For individuals from countries with limited immigration pathways to the United States, winning the DV Lottery offers a legal avenue to pursue their dreams of living and working in the U.S. 2. Access to permanent residency, Green Card. DV Lottery winners are eligible to apply for permanent residency, commonly known as a Green Card, which allows them to live and work permanently in the United States. Number 3. Pathway to citizenship. Green Card holders have the opportunity to eventually apply for U.S. citizenship provided they meet certain eligibility criteria, such as residency requirements and good moral character. 4. Access to benefits and opportunities. Green Card holders have access to various benefits and opportunities in the United States, including employment opportunities, educational programs, and social services. 5. Family reunification. DV Lottery winners may be able to sponsor certain family members for immigration to the United States, allowing them to reunite with loved ones and build a new life together in the U.S. Overall, winning the DV Lottery can be a transformative experience for individuals and families seeking to build a better future in the United States. However, it's important to note that the DV Lottery is highly competitive, and winning does not guarantee entry into the United States. Winners must still meet all eligibility requirements and go through the necessary immigration process to obtain their visas and eventually become permanent residents.